Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday, autumn style. We are wrapping up October here. And today we can't possibly end the month without some sort of pumpkin spice recipe.
Yay!
But fear not, if you can't get a hold of one of these guys and you can't even get canned pumpkin in the store, all this recipe needs is pumpkin pie spice and pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds roasted and salted that you can buy in a bag just about anywhere. So this recipe is super easy. There are about 6 steps to it, but nothing complicated. First, you want to line your pan with your parchment paper. And here you can see I have some binder clips. Tip of the day, binder clips will keep you from going crazy trying to hold down your parchment paper. The next thing you want to do is combine your dry ingredients into a bowl. That would be your oats, your puffed brown rice, and anything else in there? Yes, the pepitas and the cranberries. So you want to pepitas. Those are pumpkin seeds. So you want to put that all in a bowl, stir that up, and then set it off to the side. Next, you want to put a pan on your stove and add your coconut oil and your honey. Boil it just until it becomes a little bit frothy for about 30 seconds.
Yes.
Then remove that from the heat and add in your pumpkin pie spice, vanilla, and just a dash of salt. Stir it up really, really good. It should be a little bit syrupy. Then grab that bowl of your dry ingredients and pour in that syrupy mixture until everything is coated completely.
And then it's flat, and pumpkins make music. Did you know that?
Can we hold off on the music for 1 second and I'll finish this up?
Okay.
Okay, good. So when you have that mixture nice and coated, put it in your pan and smash it down. If you don't, it will result in very crumbly granola, which is fine if you want to put it over Greek yogurt, and that's delicious. But if you really truly want granola bars, you want to smash it down. And I use another piece of parchment paper so my hands don't get all sticky. So smash it down really, really good so that when you put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or more, that coconut oil has a chance to set up and harden in a nice, flat, even space. Then you can take that out after a few hours and cut this amount into about 10 bars. What you get for those 10 bars is great. It's less than 200 calories per bar, about 26 carbs, 12 sugars, 3 proteins, and 2 fibers. And they are delicious. I hope that you enjoy them, and we will see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.